Once again, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to check the insurance status of any vehicle in 2 minutes. Okay, it's so quick, and we'll do it from government Parivahan.gov website. This will show you what is the insurance that vehicle is having and what is the validity of it. It will help you while buying a second-hand vehicle and stuff. So go to parivahan.gov.in. I am giving the link in my video description. You can click there, and once you are in, you can do from mobile or PC. Just click on the three dot icon here. You can see here. After clicking there, just scroll down. You get an online service, and after that you get an informational service. So this is the category you are going to go. Okay friends, not the online service. Come under informational service and click on know your vehicle details. Just click here. Once you click on know your vehicle details under information service, it will take you to a new page. I'll show you that. So this is the citizen login. Okay, you should have a citizen login ID and stuff. Okay friends, if you are not having, please watch my previous video or some other video I have given how to create a login. You can create an account. You can see here, you can click and create an account. I'm not wasting time on that, so I assume you have an account already. So enter your mobile number and create an account here. Already I have done, that's why it is giving me password option. So once you have done that, you are going to log in basically using your mobile number and password. Okay friends, so you should have it. When you give once you register, you get it. Okay, so once you give mobile number and this captcha and password, you can see an OTP comes to your mobile. Enter the mobile and click on verify. Basically you are logging into your login, but you are going to check the other vehicle also. Now there is an RC status option. Under RC status, you are going to give the RC number, vehicle registration number. Here you can give the vehicle registration number, as well as you can give verify the captcha code and click on Vahan search. This is the option you can do for any other vehicle. It's not mandatory, it should be your vehicle. Okay, click on Vahan search. Once you click, you can see here RC details, the other details, validity, fitness, all the details are displayed here. Also the vehicle type, everything is displayed here. Okay, whether it's an stage V6, B6, BS6, all these details are shown here. And insurance also, you can see here the national insurance company, this is being registered to. See, national insurance company, and what is the validity and what is the policy number. You can even see the policy number also. Okay, so this way you can verify whether the vehicle has an active insurance policy and what is the company it is insured to, and also what is the validity. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you with another video.